Hi everyone, welcome back to Python with Anvita. Today we will continue learning about print. In order to understand what's happening, you'll need to watch the previous videos. So let's get started. So you're probably wondering what all of this is. Well, basically it's the output of a little program I wrote. So, did you know that print has more functions inside it? Well, I'm gonna introduce them to you in a second. So, the first one off is this. This is what you would normally write. But now it says over here slightly improved. So, over here I put in some commas. And then this is in list format. And you're also probably wondering how I put this extra line in between. Well, I'm going to show that to you now. So I've only used print for this whole thing. So the syntax is, so you have to put these quotes. I'll stick with single quotes because they look nicer like this. But if you want to use double quotes, you can use that too. So Python with Anvita, and these commas just help it work, because if I do not put a comma, it just doesn't work, because then this becomes a kind of string. So let's see what happens. See, so there's like no comma, so it becomes like one word kind of. That's why the commas are needed in between. Now this empty print is the empty line that you saw. But if you want to put double line space, so if you want to put like more than one line, then you can put slash n. But as you see, there's an error over here because we need to put them in strings. So now it works fine. Let's run it and see. So see, there's an extra line over here. So there's like two lines over here. But if you want only one line like I want, then you can just simply take that away. Then I printed slightly improved. I put another cap. So SCP is short for separation. So separation equal to in quotes comma. So the comma is there because like when you run it, then the comma you see between Python with and Anvita basically comes from there, so that I don't have to write them separately as well. So I can just put them all together in one go. Then there's an empty line. Then says list format. So I'm writing it in list format this time, another empty line. Now before I continue, I'm just going to tell you that /n means new line. So SCP new line basically means that there should be one extra line between the words. So as you see when I run it, as you see, you will see there's a Python, then underneath that there's a line, a new line, and then there's width, and then there's a new line, and then there's Anvita. So instead of writing 6 lines of code to do all the new lines, we just do it in one go. So when I take that one of the /n's away, you can see that there's no second line break. It's all just like with one line break. And when I put it back, it's back to like having one extra line break. To recap, today we learned using print in different ways, adding line breaks, and using separation. Bye for now!